Hello student, this is Mohammad Sohail and you are watching me on YouTube. Today we will discuss the simple average method of pricing material. Students, let me tell you, we will discuss the previous two method, that is your FIFO and LIFO, and this is simple average method of pricing material. Under this method, pricing of material issue should be done and the pricing of issue price should be determined by adding the different prices and dividing the same by number. We can say that we should determine the simple average price and issue price by way of by adding the different prices of materials like 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 5 rupees, and then divided the same by number. That means we need to calculate simple average method as average of the three, or average of the how many prices are given, that should be taken and that should be subtracted. So the simple average method prices are determined with the help of adding the different prices and then dividing the same by the different numbers. The how many prices are there, that should be divided. Students, there are some advantages of this method, whereas some of the disadvantages of the method are there. There are some advantages and some disadvantages of these methods. So let me tell you and let me discuss some of the advantages of simple average method. It is a very easy method. It is very easy to operate method. This method is very easy to calculate because we need to add the different prices and then we need to divide by the same. This method gives good results when the prices of purchases does not show remarkable fluctuations. If there is no fluctuation in the price, if the price does not fluctuate, then this method is very suitable in terms of this. Okay, it gives good result when the prices of purchases does not show remarkable fluctuations. If the price does not fluctuate, that's mean बच्चे अगर prices fluctuate नहीं करते हैं तो सिंपल एवरेज मेथड ही बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हम लोग अप्लीकेबल कर सकते हैं. द थर्ड एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस मेथड इज इट ऑल्सो सूट्स वेयर प्राइसेस फ्लक्चुएट बट क्वांटिटी ऑफ ईच परचेजेज रिमेन स्टेबल. It may say that it suits where the prices fluctuate. Price may be fluctuate but quantity of each purchases remain stable. अगर quantity of purchase वो stable रहते हैं तो उस केस में भी ये मेथड क्या हो सकते हैं बच्चे, एप्लीकेबल हो सकते हैं. Disadvantages. There are some disadvantages of this method. One of the most important drawbacks and disadvantage of the simple average method is that material issue price does not represent actual cost price. At the time of issue of material, we cannot determine the actual cost price as it should be determined, and the issue price is determined by way of averaging. That is why the actual cost price cannot be determined. It is not a scientific method to obtain the issue price. And the third point is the closing stock may show absurd figure. The closing stock that should be lying in the store is not reflect true picture. Sometimes it may also show negative balance. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of simple average method. Student, let me recapitulate and revise the same. What is simple average method? Simple average method is a method of pricing material issue in which the issue price is determined by way of adding the different prices and then dividing the same by number. Okay, what are the advantages? This method is very easy to operate. It gives good results when the prices of purchases does not show remarkable fluctuations. When the price does not fluctuate very rapidly, this method is very suitable. And the third point is it also suits where the prices fluctuate. Prices may be fluctuate but the quantity of each purchases remains stable. We have some disadvantages of this method, and one of the most important drawbacks of this method is material issue price does not represent the actual cost price. At the time of determining the material issue price, it is not possible to determine the actual cost as we should calculate the issue price by way of averaging. The second disadvantage is that it is not a scientific method as the actual cost price is not determined. And third disadvantages of this method is that the closing stock may not show the absurd figure. The correct figure should not be determined by way of closing stock. So this method sometimes mislead and may give some negative results and negative balances. So these are the video. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you all are safe. Please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.